Are you ready to supercharge your Instagram growth and boost your online presence? Introducing the ultimate Instagram unfollow bot, a powerful tool designed to streamline your social media strategy and help you achieve fame faster. This innovative bot takes the hassle out of managing your followers by automatically unfollowing users who don't follow you back. It's perfect for cleaning up your account, ensuring you only engage with those who engage with you, and making your follower list as effective as possible. By using this bot, you'll not only save time but also sharpen your Instagram game, paving the way for more genuine followers and a stronger, more influential profile. Ready to elevate your Instagram journey? Let's get started and watch your fame grow. Alright, the first step is to install a great Chrome plugin that will allow you to extract your followers and following lists. Make sure to watch closely and follow along as I guide you through the entire process. This plugin will make it super easy to extract all the data you need, free and unlimited. Let's continue. This process takes time, so please be patient. Save file as Excel formal. To extract usernames easy. Now, we will extract following list. Always be patient, the process may take time. Save file as Excel formal. To extract usernames easy. Open saved Excel files and copy usernames only, and save followers in follower, txt and following in following, txt. Now that you've extracted your follower and following lists, it's time to use the unfollow extractor. Start by running the unfollow extractor and selecting the files follower.txt and following.txt that you just created. The tool will automatically compare these lists and identify all the users who aren't following you back. Once it's done, the extractor will save the results in a new file named notfollowingback.txt in the same directory. This file will provide a clear list of everyone who isn't returning the follow, making it easy for you to manage your Instagram account. With the Unfollow extractor, finding non-followers is fast and straightforward. Let's get started. With your non-followers list ready, you have two options: unfollow manually or use our automated tool for a faster and more efficient solution. For a seamless experience, run our Kalina Unfollow Bot. Here's how to use it. Launch the Kalina Unfollow Bot. Enter your Instagram username and password. Choose the not_following_back.txt file you just created. A Chrome window will appear for the login process. Make sure to log in to your Instagram account and, importantly, change the language to English to ensure the bot functions correctly. After you've completed the login, return to the console and press Enter to start the unfollowing process. Notes: the bot will unfollow a profile every 2 minutes. Each username unfollowed will be removed from the list, allowing the process to continue smoothly. With the Kalina Unfollow Bot, managing your Instagram follows has never been easier. Enjoy a streamlined, secure, and fast unfollowing experience.